In this video, we're answering a simple but powerful question. Who are the buyers and sellers in the market? Every price movement happens because of buyers and sellers. Without them, the market would not move at all. Let's start with buyers. Buyers are people or institutions who believe price will go up. When buyers place buy orders, they create demand. More demand usually pushes price higher. Now let's talk about sellers. Sellers believe price will go down or is already too high. When sellers place sell orders, they create supply. More supply usually pushes price lower. Price moves based on the battle between buyers and sellers. If buyers are stronger, price moves up. If sellers are stronger, price moves down. If buyers and sellers are balanced, price moves sideways. Now, who exactly are these buyers and sellers? First, we have retail traders. That's people like you and me trading on phones or computers. Retail traders make up a small part of the market. Next, we have institutions. Banks, hedge funds, and large investment firms. These players move large amounts of money. Because of their size, they can move the market. We also have long-term investors. They buy assets to hold for months or years. And we have short-term traders. They buy and sell within minutes, hours, or days. All of these players interact in the same market. Here's an important beginner mistake. Thinking the market moves randomly. Price moves because real people are making decisions. Fear, greed, and expectations drive buying and selling. Charts are just a visual record of this behavior. As a trader, your job is not to predict. Your job is to react to who is in control. Are buyers winning or are sellers winning? That's the key question behind every trade. When you understand buyers and sellers, you understand the foundation of trading. Quick takeaway. Buyers push price up. Sellers push price down. Price moves based on who is stronger. Master this concept, and everything else gets easier. In the next video, we'll talk about what really moves price. See you there.